Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and for my old subscribers, thank you as well. So guys, in this video we are gonna be making a new treat, so called Parfait. So here are the ingredients we are gonna be using. I have my strawberry, grape, apple, blueberries, granola, Greek plain yogurt, honey, and lastly milk. You can use whatever fruit you prefer to use, so I'm just using this. So I'm done biting the apple. So next we're gonna move to the strawberry. So here's my strawberry. I'm gonna dice into a smaller piece as well. So we are done with cutting our strawberry. I'm gonna put this aside. Then now next we move to our yogurt. So guys, I'm gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of honey. So you can add as much as you want. One tablespoon of honey, and then pour in my milk. Then mix everything thoroughly. We are done mixing the yogurt together. This is what we got, the consistency we get. So, and I forgot to show you guys earlier on, I'm gonna be using some nuts, and this is optional. If you want, you use. If you don't want, you just let it be. So these are mixed nuts. So this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using these 2 glassware. So I'm going to pour in my yogurt into the glass. Then I'm going to pour in some nuts. Some granola. Then add my strawberry, then the grape, apples, blueberries. Then add more yogurt. You need to be generous with your yogurt and your fruit as well. So same thing, add some nuts, some granola. What is a parfait without a granola? You won't really enjoy it. So I'm gonna add more strawberry, apples, berries, and more yogurt to fill it. So I'm just gonna top in with more granolas on top of it. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing on this other glass. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. As you can see, our Parfait is ready. Can't wait to have a taste of it. You can share this with your family, friends, and you can snack on it as a breakfast or lunch, in between breakfast or lunch, wherever you want, for occasions, for birthday parties, whatever occasion you want to use it for. And as well, let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.